A Boeing 747 weighs 400 tons fully loaded. That's like stacking 80 elephants and launching them through the sky at 500 miles per hour. The secret isn't some complex engineering miracle, it's the same physics trick you can test right now with a spoon and your kitchen faucet. Turn the water on full blast and hold the spoon's curved side against the stream. Instead of pushing away, the spoon gets sucked toward the water. Fast-moving water creates lower pressure on the curved side. Higher pressure on the other side pushes the spoon toward the stream. That's Bernoulli's principle. Airplane wings are just giant curved spoons. Air moves faster over the curved top surface, creating lower pressure above than below the wing. 400 tons of metal stays airborne because millions of air molecules are playing the same spoon trick simultaneously across every square inch of wing surface.